Unthink have come in and changed a lot of our perceptions on what learning can look like. And we're hooked. I'm Anjali Shah and I am talent partner at Schroders. I was the program lead for Spotlight. The idea for Spotlight came about in late 2023 when our then CEO tasked the talent team with identifying emerging leaders in the organisation. We've always done the traditional style of learning, and I had reservations about how this type of learning would be perceived. And no one expected to meet astronauts in Peake, and they found that session really valuable. But in addition to that, the systems thinking piece. That session where they got to be interactive, they got to pitch, and loads of people met new people in that moment. The fact that we could be at the top of the gherkin and have that amazing view and all that sun, I think that really helped too. There are the speakers, the engagement from participants, how excited and energized they were. It comes down to the way Unthink works. For example, never in my mind did I think we would be talking about a psychological magician for influencing. Never crossed my mind one bit. So I think for me, those conversations were strange to begin with, but actually now seeing that in practice, it makes complete sense. I think everything about it made it so impactful and so magical.
You collaborated and won by being together today.